Jakarta schedule.
Still haven't come yet. Yeah, there's one 777 stuck inside the SIA hangar.
Yeah, that is undergoing maintenance.
But it doesn't look like any operator I've seen before. It says Iran. You zoom in your camera and see what it is.
Okay.
Next to the SIA engineering hangar.
Air Hong Kong.
No, not the Air Hong Kong, behind the Air Hong Kong there.
Yeah, try to. Nothing on lah. Nothing on.
You can't see.
I don't see.
There's one time a friend of mine, other guy was here, he caught AJA.
All the air is hurting, all nothing on. You see your chocolate quite special already.
No, this one is not. This one is beyond special.
Yes,
It's the fitted with GE technology.
CFM56 engines.
This one CFM 56. A D34 scheduled waiting already.
I'm going South Cross.
Now?
12:30 departure, so I should go South Cross now. Want to go with me?
No, I supposed to end class at 12. Today no, end 1 hour early. Then I go and stalk on.
As stewardess
No, ITE student follow my classmate back. She find out already I kena in trouble already, so I quickly run here.
Huh? You run here just because of?
I scared she later send her boyfriend come kill me.
But what you do to her?
Nothing lah. I go the same way with her. What you expect?
She won't know that you're here one. Don't worry, you are protected one.
Who say? She at KFC.
KFC? Tell me what?
Don't know.
I'm in South Coast. We had it past 12:30. I'm not confident if let's say you go to here out of DC.
Does it mean? I think
I got plan with you.
you go terminal 2 faster lah.
I go terminal 2.
I also going terminal 2 later. We go together lah. At 12:30 also leaving this area.
It's 12:30 p.m. departure, so I should stand by at this time.
No, 12:30 gate close is it?
The 12:30 departure, so I will station in South Coast first to see whether
But if 12:30 gate.
This is departing at terminal 2, most likely DC. So the next thing I will try to get.
But it takes 15 minutes for an A350 to start up. So by the time you pass by South Cross, actually come to think of it, what if SMA by the time you go South Cross, how will you even know the A350 is climbing so high? You can't even tell where it is.
My camera will always on standby.
Yeah, you just wait another 5 minutes, then we both go terminal 2. Then yeah.
You go South Cross with me?
No, I going home back to Bedok.
You scared who will catch you?
I never bring my camera with me. This camera not good enough.
Oh.
And some more, if I got CCA, normally it's 3 to 5.
Yeah.
3 to 5 I hang out at South Cross. My next South Cross scheduled spotting is 6th of May. You can try to find me there lah.
Okay, yes, Fokker.
One Fokker just taxi pass. But well, AZE is so slow today.
20C. What track only on 20R and 20C before?
20R there, so both sides can actually, Changi Beach there can spot already.
That one is fucking far, coastal road.
Coastal Road?
If let's say you take a space spotting from Changi Beach, you see TN02C take off, then you cannot catch on. By the time at this only high already.
I ask you about when they coming in for landing now, because I plan to schedule my next next week. I probably schedule to come here, go Changi Beach, try out already lah.
Go Changi Beach.
I want to try my luck down there lah. See what I can get like within 1.5.
I should go South Coast.
Wait, I wait for the Air Asia to finish to get lost. Then after that I go with you. I want to almost leave already. Cathay I don't care already. Cathay I
don't care lah. This one normal one. Even equipment shop also.
Wow. Air Asia really alamak sia. Taxi one big round.
20C. Just now you see 2 Air Asia take off from there, right?
No, I reached about 11:55.
I saw 2 Air Asia took off from there. 20. I don't know where the heck how they go to Nami.